So let me show you how to do transfer from Web3 to Binance. First of all, after you open up now your Binance app like this, now go to asset at the bottom right side. After you come to assets, now tap on this deposit button. So in the Binance Exchanger, after you come to this deposit, now go and search for the coin you want to transfer from the Web3 wallet. So for me, let's say I want to transfer USDT. After you select the USDT, now select the BNB Smart Chain Network. So now tap on this copy to copy the address. After you copy the address, now tap on this back arrow again. So now switch back to the Web3 wallet. After you open the Web3 wallet, now go to asset in the Web3 wallet. Under this asset, now scroll to down and search for USDT or search for the coin you want to transfer. After you select the coin you want to transfer, now tap on this send button. Before you tap on the send button, make sure you choose the right network. So as you can see now, I have already chosen BNB network, but if you want to use like Ethereum network or Solana network, just go ahead and select the network from this option. But for this video, I'll use BNB network. That's the default one. So after you select the BNB network, tap on the send button. So from this option, now go and paste in the address you copy from the Binance Exchanger. I'll just tap on this option. After you tap on this option, now tap on this paste button and then tap on this done button. So now tap on this continue button. So from this option now specify the amount you want to send. So I'll tap on this 200. After you tap in the amount you want to send, just tap on this continue button. From there, now the amount will be transferred into your exchanger, and that's it.